Hi guys, this is Minnie Devan and you're watching TheHealthSite.com. We all experience dull and droopy skin, dark under eyes, acne, pores, tanning and so much more. If you're also wondering how to get rid of all these problems and get a natural, fresh and glowy looking skin in the most natural way possible, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to share some tips and tricks and home remedies that you can follow from the comfort of your home in order to attain a glowy and fresh skin.
Papaya face mask. Papaya works as a natural exfoliator. It's great not just for your gut but also for your skin. A mix of it with egg whites takes it to the next level, as egg whites are high in protein and helps in tightening of the pores as well. All you need is a papaya, 1 tablespoon of yogurt, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1 egg white. Mix it well and make a paste. Apply it and leave it for at least 15 minutes for best results. Sugar face scrub. Honey and sugar works as a natural exfoliator and works well for skin nourishment. It will help get rid of the dead skin cells. All you need for this is half cup brown sugar and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix it well and add a bit of olive or almond oil as per your choice. Blend it and apply it on your face for at least 10 minutes. Aloe vera face mask. Aloe vera is best when it comes to home ingredients. It has healing properties and has multiple skincare benefits. Mix aloe vera gel to cucumber juice, blend it well and apply this cooling gel on your face. Massage it well in circular motion, leave it for at least 10 minutes for best results. Turmeric face mask. Turmeric has multiple benefits to it, not just for your health but for your skin as well. All you need is to mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric and 1 spoon of flour and add 1 tablespoon of fresh milk to it. Mix the paste well and apply the pack on your face and your neck equally. Leave it for at least 10 to 15 minutes for best results. You'll notice a difference immediately.
So these are some homemade DIY remedies that you can follow from the comfort of your home. All you need to do is follow these remedies once or twice a week and you'll be good to go. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting content.